Drink past simple. I drank water after the workroom. Present simple. He drinks coffee every morning. Past participle. She has drunk all the juice. Drive. Past simple. They drove to the beach yesterday. Present simple. I drive to work every day. Past simple. I'm sorry. Past participle. She has driven a long distance. Fat. Past simple. We ate dinner at 7 p.m. Present simple. He eats healthy food every day. Past participle. She has eaten all the proteins. Fall. Past simple. He fell off his meat, meat yesterday. Present simple. The leaves fall in autumn. Past participle. I have fallen in love with this breeze. Feed. Past participle. I'm sorry. Past simple. She fed the cat this morning. Present simple. I feed the dog twice a day. Past participle. He has fed the animals in the zoo. Feel. Past simple. I feel nervous before the exam. Present simple. She feels happy today. Past participle. I have felt a sense of un- unre- I'm sorry, unrelief. Fifth. Past simple. They walk over the last cookie. Present simple. We fig for what we believe in past participle. He has found many batteries.